In March 2026, the Jinan Laser Industry Conference was held at Bodor Laser. The Serbian delegation visited Bodor's global headquarters, inspected its intelligent manufacturing and technological innovations, deepened industrial cooperation, and promoted high-end manufacturing partnership with Serbia, letting Bodor Intelligent Manufacturing go global.
If I had to use one word, I would say professionalism. Amazed that the major scientific minds in the world from University of Cambridge are here today. So I'm quite fascinated by this. Your company is quite efficient, and I'm certain you will be more present in other countries as well. As I said, professionalism. I see that your company is clean, it's organized, you have big thinkers, big minds, you're a well-organized company with good management. So for example, if you sell something in Spain, you offer your team from here, from China, to be online all the day during the nighttime as well to help their needs. So the end buyer is quite pleased with your services. I think you should focus more on being present at the region you are willing to sell your services and products in. I think by doing this, you engage more and understand more the region, the traditions, the core values and the philosophy of the people you are working with. So I think your company and our two systems, societies and countries could benefit from each other if we are more in communication with each other, direct, people to people, not only company to company, but rather people to people communication. This way you will have a chance to infiltrate more in the region you are looking to invest or sell your products.
Bodor, Dare to Dream.